Welcome to Spotlight for Success by American Book Company. I am Devin Pintosi, your host. We are here in sunny Myrtle Beach, South Carolina at the SCABSE conference. And we are joined here by our special guest, Dr. Felicia Williams.
Good morning.
Dr. Williams, thank you for joining us today.
No problem.
Dr. Williams joins us. She is the principal at Lake Marion Middle School in Orangeburg County Schools in South Carolina. Dr. Williams, can you let us know, introduce the audience to what brings you here to SCABSE today?
Good morning. So what brings me to SCASBE is that I'm a believer in diversity, and SCASBE does a great job at introducing diversity, but also I receive so many tips and strategies here at SCASBE.
Oh, that's wonderful. And can you tell us a bit about your work at the at Marion Middle School?
Well, at Lake Marion Middle School, I am the proud principal of Lake Marion Middle School, where I do a number of things, instructional leader, teacher, guidance counselors. I do everything. Even though we have people for those roles, I play a lot of them. So that is what I do on a daily basis.
Oh, wow, wonderful. And so here at SCABSE, are there certain takeaways you want to get, certain things you're looking for?
So actually, I'm looking for different ideas on how to utilize AI. This year's theme is about AI. So I'm really looking at learning and gleaning more information about how to use AI, but as well as teach our students how to use AI, as well as our teachers.
That is such a big concept right now.
Absolutely.
Everybody's trying to find a way to, instead of fighting AI, let's bring it into the classroom and figure out how to take advantage of this great new technology.
Certainly. Well, the way to get around usually a challenge is to embrace it. So I am going to embrace AI as much as I can.
Oh, that's awesome.
Yeah.
I understand you've had some good experiences using ABC materials in the classroom?
Absolutely. My school purchased science, math, as well as geometry and statistics and reading books this past year. And we've used it in intervention as well as homework support. So we've seen a lot of growth with our students using ABC books. The ABC books, it gives a snapshot of the standard with activities. So I was really excited about using ABC books, but my teachers were even more excited because it gave them another resource to use.
Oh, that's wonderful. Mm-hmm. Happy to hear that. And what are some things that you is there anything you'd like to share with the SCABSE community?
Well, I'd just like to share, just keep doing what you're doing and keep introducing diversity and making sure that, we are heard. Yeah.
Oh, that's wonderful. Well, Dr. Williams, it was a pleasure having you on today. Thank you for joining us.
You're welcome. Thank you for having me.